Hey everybody, this is Josh Pride, the real estate guy, founder of Lionfish Investment Group. We're inside the property right now doing our evaluation. We're on the main floor right now. We're going through and we're evaluating kitchen cost, floor cost, all really digging into what's going to be the cost of this property to repair it. We've already found ARV. We know it's going to be in the mid to high twos. And then we're going to network and figure out what our offer is going to be. So here's the next step. Next step is December 15th. We have our next property tour that I'll be able to get you the address within the next week. But December 8th, come check out Eric Counts. He's our credit specialist. His focus is going to be able to help you get your credit score over 720 within 6 months. He's going to help educate us on what are the credit bureaus looking at? What are they looking at when they look at your score? That way it's going to help repair yours. And again, December 22nd, that weekend is Christmas weekend, so we're not going to be doing anything that weekend. You'll have a great December. Click on the link and pick either a 15-minute call with me, a property tour, our workshop next week, or come meet us on a Wednesday night. Talk to you soon. This is Josh Pride, the real estate guy.